Hey guys, it's James back with another video here. Just want to do a small review here on something I picked up. I've kindly switched over to Milwaukee tools. This is their Fuel 16-inch chainsaw. I like it quite a bit for camping, keeping in the back of the truck. Anyway, we got a log here. It's getting close to firewood time, and we also bought a camper, as you can see here in the background. So we need some campfire wood, and we got a wood stove in the shop. Hope you enjoy. Yes, I am cutting wood in shorts and house shoes, but don't do this at home, kid. Ready? Good. I've got a small 5.0 battery in this. It actually came with a 12.0. It lasts quite a while on the smaller ones too. Plenty of power, constant power. I like it pretty good. Come on, little brother. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just pitch up and down, and I'll cut it up on the ground. I like it pretty good, y'all, as you can see. I got this out of my drill. It had 3 bars, it's got 2 now. Pretty good saw. Keep it in your pickup or take camping with you, throw it from side to side. It's lightweight. Anyway, my son's gonna split this and throw it in our bin. Hope you enjoy it. He has fell, and my other son here to the left, he's a 4-year-old trooper. Y'all have seen him in a couple of videos. He's a blue heeler German Shepherd mix. Really good dog. This is something we split earlier today. We've just been playing with it. Also got a new dump trailer, guys. I haven't showed y'all that. Anyway, he's back to splitting. Hope y'all enjoy. Also guys, this Kubota tractor, it's been in a couple of videos. Not all of them, but a couple of them. It's a 2013 Kubota 2370. Been a real good machine. Also my son's 13th birthday this weekend, so past weekend, so. Here comes a motorcycle up the road. Excuse the loud noise. He's moved out of film here on us.
Ever.
Let me move y'all. Had a really busy summer, y'all. I haven't posted a whole lot, but now that it's winter time, I'm going to try to start back posting quite a bit. Also, my son and his grandfather, they've started them a YouTube channel. It's called Strider and Paul's Workshop. I should go give them a follow. They do a lot of arts and crafts.
Dad, what's the best way to get this off?
Smack it straight down.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Better go get that big splitter one.
I might have had a little mishap.
Hit it hard. That stuff's a little bit drier. It's a little harder to bust. You doing good?
This for my first time?
There you go.
Ready, Trooper? 1, 2, 3.
That old puppy sure likes to play. Anyway, he's going to continue splitting this wood. If you don't hurry, we'll freeze to death. We're also going to go camping this weekend, I think. I'll probably make a video or two there if y'all are interested in that kind of content. Let me know in the comments. We had back to school night tonight. He's going into the 8th grade. Not sure where a lot of y'all are from or when he went back to school, but my son starts on Monday.
I dread it.
He dreads it, he says, but I don't think he'd rather be busting wood every day either.
Be a lot funner than math class.
Yep. Yeah, we just split firewood for fun, pretty much. We burn it in the shop and take it on our camping trips. We don't use it for house heat, or we sell some wood here and there, but I've got a gas splitter for that. This is more or less our exercise and gives us something to do of evening. Get me to split some? You'll stand it up. You'll stand it up. I'll split it.
Just so you know, it's my first time.
Not his first time.
Yeah, it is. I had about 20 seconds of practice.
I've been splitting wood since I was his age, probably when I'm 30. We had to split it for heat. And if my buddy Jacob sees this, he knows how much we used to split with these things. It was definitely a whole lot. Definitely a whole lot. I enjoy it myself. And that wraps that up. Just leave it going until we pick it up. Alright, I'm gonna get it with the tractor. You can get some footage of that.
Come here.